Good morning, students. I want to show you a glow plug and how it actually works. We talked about the body being ground, the center of it being your positive, so we're going to apply voltage to it and it'll start smoking and then it will ultimately glow red hot. This is what is heating the air in the combustion chamber in the morning when it's really cold, to heat the air up enough for the combustion to take place and the heat that the compression is making not to be pulled out into the water jackets when it is super cold. Like the cylinder walls will pull a lot of heat out. So this is a supplemental heating agent that we use. We can also use on Cummins applications a grid heater, which operates in the same principle, but it would be in the air intake of the engine, helping the air stay hot enough for combustion to take place.